Hey there, fellow hustlers. Ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing and turn those clicks into cash? Well, you're in for a treat, because today, I've got the ultimate guide for you in just 30 seconds. Let's get started. First things first, pick a niche you're passionate about. Next, scout out the best affiliate programs in your niche. Look for high commissions, reliable tracking, and products your audience will love. Now, create killer content. It could be reviews, tutorials, or entertaining snippets. Just make it shareable and valuable. Promote strategically. Share your links on social media, blogs, and even carrier pigeons if that's your thing. Get creative. Lastly, analyze your results and optimize. Double down on what's working, tweak what's not, and watch those commissions roll in. And there you have it, the quick and dirty guide to affiliate marketing success. Smash that like button, subscribe for more, and let the affiliate profits rain down. Catch you in the next one.